Hi. Welcome to Order Shipment tutorial. Once your customer placed an order from your website, you will receive a notification to your email. Also, the order will reflect in the admin panel. Click Sales in the left menu and navigate into Order. Here you can see the orders. Now edit the order and click Order Shipment tab. Then click New Shipment button and select the provider you want to make dispatch. Then enter the tracking number. Then click Save. Now the order is marked as dispatched. Dispatched orders will be shown in Shipment menu. Now your customer will receive the dispatch email along with tracking number. To complete the order, enter into the order, then click Order Shipment and edit the record. Now select the delivered date and save the record. Now the order is marked as completed. Now your customer will receive the order delivered mail. Now they can make the product review also.